So today, finally got the custom wheels. Ordered 2 to 3 months ago, so I'm actually surprised how fast they came. Big shout out to Forgestar Custom Wheels. They were right on time with what they said. So we're gonna go ahead, do an unboxing, and then also ceramic coat.
So nice.
Should I say it?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the Forgestar Custom M14 wheels. They are 18 by 12 minus 14 offset. Oh, this is gonna take a while.
Those are big boys.
Those are wide. Oh, all right, here we go.
Oh.
They look so good. So good. Black barrel, bronze face. The finish is like perfect.
Yeah, it looks good.
Here we go. Oh boy, they're never gonna be this clean again. So I did buy a ceramic coat. So we will be ceramic coating them before they go on the car. Now is the time to do it. Also, in case you didn't notice, we're in a garage. We moved, so video coming soon on that. They're literally like flawless. I don't see any imperfections. You guys will have to stay tuned to actually see them on the car. They're not going on the car for a couple weeks. The car is still at the shop getting final touches on the bodywork and the wrap. So you'll see them on the car soon.